Moving can be challenging and a stressful process. But with the right approach, guys, it actually can end up being magical. And I know I said the word magical, but yes, a move can actually be magical. So I'm going to give you the top 5 things that you can do in order to have a magical move. The first tip is to put together a plan. And in your plan, what you want to make sure of is that you have a checklist of all the items that you want to take care of in order to have your magical move. In addition, you want to set up a timeline so that you'll know when you're going to be doing each thing. And then take that list and you want to break it down into smaller, manageable pieces and steps. And that way it'll help you stay organized and get through the process. Step two. Step two would be to declutter and downsize. Now, moving is an excellent opportunity, guys, to actually take a look at all of your belongings and decide if you're going to take them with you to your next place, or is it time to either donate them to someone or possibly actually just get rid of them altogether because you don't want them and you don't have anyone to donate them to. It also is less stuff for you to pack. 3 is now I want you now to start looking at packing strategically. So tip 3 is to pack strategically. So by first of all looking at your non-essential items and start to get those packed up first and put those together. In addition, pack up the items that are in the off season. So an example will be if you are moving in the summer, the first items you then really want to start to pack would be your winter items because you're not going to need them till you get to your next place. So then pack strategically. Another tip there to when packing is think about possibly doing a color-coded system. So for example, everything that goes into the dining room or the living room will have a box color of a pink or blue. And then you can actually take paper when you get to your new home and put a pink piece of paper up on the doorway for all your pink boxes and a blue piece of paper up on for that goes into that particular room. It'll help your movers when they're taking things off of the truck, or your friends if your friends are helping you move. They won't have to pull you constantly to say, hey, where does this go? They just match the colors and put them in. The fourth comes down to hiring people. Now, depending on your budget, it may be friends and family, or if you have a budget that will allow you to hire movers, the movers can come in and they can actually strategically pack up all of your belongings and get them moved. And then finally, 5. 5 is the actual tidying up, which is during this time, I call it the address shuffle. So you need to remember that you need to send out to all the different people your new address. So for your important documents, like any type of your driver's license, things like that, to get that all changed over to your new address, as well as start your utilities. I hope these 5 tips help, and if they've helped you, please share these with others. And if you have some tips yourself that you found that's been helpful for your move, share them with me. Talk to you soon.